We will learn about wild animals. Treat animals well. Do not throw stones at animals. Don't keep birds in cages. Don't kill animals for their skin, teeth. Cheetah eat other animals. Has black spots on his body. Cheetah runs fast. Monkey eat seeds, fruits, plants, and insects. Live on tree branches. Elephant eat plants and fruits. Has a trunk. Take shelter under trees. Bear eat honey, plants, and other small animals. Live in caves. Tiger eat other animals, live in caves, has black strips on his body. Lion eat other animals, has a mane, live in den.